Hey everybody, welcome to Central Perk, your favorite coffee shop. Imagine comfy chairs, the smell of fresh coffee beans, and the sound of laughter. Two friends, Emily and David, are meeting after a long time. David, arriving first, waves excitedly.
Emily, over here!
Emily beams, her face lighting up.
David, wow, it's so good to see you.
They hug warmly, catching up on life's little joys.
How are you? It feels like ages.
Emily says, settling into the plush armchair.
I know, right? Time flies. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. So what will you have? Their cappuccino is amazing!
Emily ponders, looking at the menu.
Decisions. Maybe a latte? Or, oh, is that a pumpkin spice latte I see?
Pumpkin spice? Already? It's not even autumn yet.
Hey, a girl's gotta have her favorites.
She winks, joining the queue behind David. The barista, a friendly chap named Ben, greets them with a smile. However, his smile fades as he delivers some unexpected news.
Hi folks, apologies, but we're out of milk. That means no lattes or cappuccinos today.
Disappointment flickers across Emily's face.
Oh no, what about a simple black coffee then?
Hey, no worries. How about some herbal tea? It's a good day for a change, don't you think?
Emily bursts out laughing.
Herbal tea? You? Since when?
Hey, I'm full of surprises. Besides, who needs coffee when you have good company and a delicious muffin?
They share a laugh, the disappointment forgotten. After all, it's not about the coffee, but the company that truly matters. As they settle down on the comfy armchairs, the aroma of blueberry muffin filling the air, they knew this impromptu catch-up was already a perfect blend of warmth, laughter, and friendship.